In this tutorial, I will show you Adobe Photoshop count tool. So let's jump on it. Here is Adobe Photoshop and I am accessing the count tool from here, eyedropper tool. Yesterday I discussed about node tool, today count tool. You can say count tool now. This is numbering cursor with number here showing. We can first of all click or make it red color, so the color change, marker size 10, label size. We can adjust it to any marker size, dot size, and this. Actually this is taken only highest value is 10 and I can take it 35. So when I clicking it, say when we are working, you have a team of photo editor and working together. Now team head, team captain, team manager marking this image. Number 1, this is rename. You can rename team USA. So team manager, team USA, he instructed by counting, that placing counting and now placing here also and also. So the team manager instructed by counting these photographs to their team USA, that and then counting and send this, and then told the team to edit those images. Obviously this will difficult images, but this told, he mentioned, so that no mistakes occurred during the editing. So now after that, team manager also thought about more images for another team. So clicking here and team, he wrote team UK, change the color to more magenta, then he clicking here, clicked here, clicked here, clicked here actually, and told the team UK to edit those images. So in this way there is possibilities of mistake chance very less than any other way. If the team manager told using phone to edit a very complicated images, there will be chance to mistake happen. So now we can easily clear all the counting from here. If we click here, this will be clicked. Team UK, team USA also clear. So there is no more group here. Okay, you can see there is no more group here. So in this way count tool work. I hope you got the point for this quick tutorial. In this quick tutorial, if so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.